Welcome children. Welcome to that second part of integers. Here we can do that multiplication and division of integers. First multiplication of integers. Here I have selected some questions for that, multiplying a positive and a negative integer. Let us see how can we do that one. First one, it is 6 into minus 20. Here one is a positive integer and negative. One is positive and one is negative. Here look at these integers. One is 6 and consider them as whole numbers. 6 and 20. Multiply both. 6 into 20 is 120 and give that negative sign. That means when we are multiplying a positive and negative integer, positive and negative, product of a positive and negative integer is always negative. Then we can take that second question, minus 12 into 32. Find the product of 32 and 12. 32 into 12. Multiply this 32 and 12. 4, 6, 2, 3. 4, 8, 3. It is 384. And put that negative sign. One positive integer and one negative integer. Finding that product, we are getting negative itself. Then take the third question, that is 7 into minus 22. That is equal to, find that product of 22 and 7. It is 154. Then give that minus sign, minus 154. Then the fourth one is minus 201 into 115. That is equal to, find the product of these 115 and 201. 5, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 2. 5, 1, 1, 3, 2. That is equal to 23,115 and it is negative. One positive integer and negative integer. Finding the product of a positive integer and negative integer, it is always negative. Next is multiplication of two negative integers. Here I have selected some questions. First one, it is minus 31 into minus 100. Here you can see two negative integers. In that case of problems, we have to do that just to find the product of these three. 3, 1 after two zeros. This is the product of 31 and 100. Then minus and minus here. That answer is always positive. If we multiply a negative integer by a negative integer, answer is always positive. Product of a negative integer and product of two negative integers is a positive integer. Then the second question is minus 25 into minus 72. Here also both are negative. So we know just to find the product of this 25 and 72. It is 1800. And this is positive because negative into negative is always positive. Similarly, we can find the third one. Here it is minus 83 into minus 28. Product of two negative integers is a positive integer. 83 into 28, 1324. This is the answer. Product of two negative integers is a positive integer. Next we can see how to find the product of three or more negative integers. So that I have selected two questions here. First one is minus 9 into minus 5 into minus 6 into minus 3. That we can solve first. Minus 9 into minus 5 into minus 6 into minus 3. Here just to count that number of negative integers 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is an even number of times occurred that even number of times negative integers. That is, if it is an even number, the product is always a positive integer. That is, just multiply these numbers and write that answer minus 5 into minus 6 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9 into minus 5, or 9 into 5 it is 45. 6 into minus 6 into minus 3, that is equal to 18. Then 45 into 18 is 810. This is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 integers are there, negative integers are there, even number of times. So it is positive. Then the next one is minus 81 into minus 10 into minus 9. Here we have 3 negative integers. That means it comes odd number of times. Odd number of times negative integer came. That means that is the product of odd number of times integers is always negative. That is, minus 81 into minus 10 into minus 9 is equal to, find the product of this, minus 81 into minus 10, or find this all together and give minus sign. Minus 81 into 10, minus 10 is 810. Again into minus 9, that is equal to minus 7290. Then we can do division of integers. Here I have selected 4 questions. First one is minus 100 divided by 5. Minus 100 divided by 5. And first you have to consider this both as whole numbers. 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5, that is equal to 20. And here 100 is negative, so give that negative sign. That means when we are dividing a negative integer by a positive integer, we will get that answer negative integer, or we can write negative integer divided by positive integer, answer is negative. And here you can see that second question, some more clear it will be after that. 81 divided by minus 9. Here we know 81 divided by 9. Consider the numbers as whole numbers itself. 81 divided by 9 is 9. Then give minus sign. Here you see that one is a positive integer. Positive divided by another one is a negative integer. Then also we are getting that answer negative itself. A positive integer divided by negative integer, answer is negative, and negative integer divided by positive, answer is negative. That means one among them is negative, means answer also will be negative. Then see that third one, that is C, minus 75 divided by 5. Consider them as whole numbers, 75 and 5. 75 divided by 5 is equal to 15. Then give minus sign. Answer is minus 15. Then we can take that D, 32 divided by minus 2. Then consider them as whole numbers, 32 and 2. Find that 32 divided by 2 is 16. Then 1 is negative, so give that negative sign. Answer is minus 16. Next we can do the division of two negative integers. First one, here it is minus 36 divided by minus 9. Both are negative, so that A negative integer divided by a negative integer is always a positive integer. Then we can do that. 36 divided by 9. Consider them as whole numbers. 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. Answer is 4 here. It's positive. Negative divided by negative is positive. Then similarly we can do that second one. 0 divided by minus 21. We know 0 divided by whether it is negative or positive integer. 0 divided by any integer, it is 0 itself. Then third one, it is minus 250 divided by minus 25. Then 250 divided by 25 is equal to 10. It is positive.